100% sure this is in fact manga. Ha ha he ha 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 ha.
I want to ask you something. How do you earn the money? Hi guys. So, there are some really interesting things in being an artist. There are obviously the perks, there are the cons, and there are the funny situations I will never forget in my life. One interesting one. I love talking about art with old people. Because the only art that's good, the only art that's right, is traditional art. You can't make art like digitally. That's not the same thing. We need to make a new word for digital art, like auto-generating picture or art for untalented people that can't draw. Vote in the comments what kind of new name for digital art we can come up with. But let's see the situation.
Good morning.
Oh, hi, hello.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm drawing.
What's the weird device you're working on?
iPad. It's really nice, actually. You should try. It's really compact and you can take it anywhere. You don't need to have any
Kids
tool.
these days and all the electronic devices. Ha 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 ha.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ha 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 ha. Have you ever tried drawing on a real paper? Ha 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 ha. Ha ha. Ha ha. Ha 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 ha.
No.
With a pencil.
With a pencil?
Do you know what that is? Ha 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 you ha.
Never heard of it.
Well, you should try ha ha ha.
This is the only thing I ever used, you know? Since I was a little kid in the 2000s. That's what I did. I'm so shocked.
Children these days. Ha 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 hoo ha.
Yeah, children these days. Yeah, I'm 23, but never mind.
What?
No, nothing.
You can buy pencils in an art store. Ha ha.
Okay.
You don't have to say thank you.
Yeah.
Have a good day. Ha you.
Bye.
Ha hoo ha ha you ha ha. Ha 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 hoo ha. Ha.
Also, I think in art, there are only two sides of earning money. There are the very extreme rich people, very extreme rich artists, and very extremely poor artists. Not true, really, but that's what people think. Also, there are double standards. For example, there are people like this. Do you see this? This is ridiculous. How is this piece of paper worth $1 million? $1 million! This is where our society is heading into. This is where our society is going. Why, when I paint something like this, no one is going to pay $1 million? I am
contributing member of society.
I wake up every day at 7 a.m. I go to work, I build houses people actually live in. I do something contributing to society. And I never in my life have seen $1 million. And this is where the society is heading. $1 million for a piece of paper? A piece of paper. A piece of paper? $1 million. What? But I do something for people. Why on earth is this acceptable? You know what? Nowadays, artists like this, they can draw just a little dot in the middle of the white paper, and they're going to ask $1 million. $1 million for this piece. I hate artists. I hate the society. This is ridiculous, and I am a contributing
Member of society. Ridiculous.
But on the contrary, they also do this. Yeah, it's going good. I mean, my beautiful woman just gave birth to my beautiful daughter. Her name is Natasha, so it's amazing. It's amazing. I heard it's going good with you too. I heard you're an artist now. Yeah, being an artist, man. You know when we were friends 10 years ago? I'm just having some memories. You know, I'm thinking of good times, but I want to ask you something. Like I said, we are friends for 10 years and I just had a daughter, Natasha. So I was wondering, you're an artist, you create beautiful drawings and I thought maybe you can draw my beautiful Natasha. I mean, yeah, of course I will pay you. Of course I will pay you. Of course, no problem. I mean, we have been friends for 10 years, so I mean, there is a friend discount. Of course, there will be a friend's discount. And also, I mean, this is a hobby, so I mean, it's not. You do it for money. Okay. You like to do it anyway, so I guess you draw every day, all day, anyway. So what's the problem with drawing my beautiful Natasha for a day? I mean, it's going to take an hour anyway, right? It's going to take an hour anyway. So yeah, can you draw my baby Natasha? Yeah, name the price. Name the price, my friend. I will pay you the price. $200 for a drawing? For a piece of paper, $200? Yeah, I guess, of course you have to pay your bills. You make like 10 of those drawings a day. It's taking 8 hours. And you have to pay the taxes. I thought we were friends. What? Because we didn't see each other in the 7 years we were not friends? Yeah, I didn't have time to text you. I have been busy. My beautiful daughter Natasha was just born. She's 7 months. Yeah, but I have been trying for children for 7 years, so I was very busy, you know? You know what? No, I'm not going to talk with you. I thought we were friends, and this is ridiculous. Artists are awful. I thought you were cool, man. I thought you were cool, but now I see everything very clear. Now I see everything. You don't like children, you hate me, and you're greedy as hell. Goodbye. So yeah, I don't really understand the logic behind it. There's also like one kind of people. This kind is very interesting. And this kind is the one that will make you actually question yourself a lot. And this is the kind. This is the person. I'm sure you have heard of that one. I am sure you have met a person like this in your life at least once. At least once.
Hi.
Hi.
Are you drawing?
Yeah, I'm drawing.
What are you drawing?
I'm drawing like it's like an original character. You know, like it's a
So this is
combination
manga.
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 Is it manga? Does it look like manga?
Yes.
Why?
It has big eyes.
Yeah, it kind of does. I mean, it does. Yeah, but it's not manga. There's more than big eyes to manga.
I am 100% sure this is in fact manga. Ha ha he ha 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 ha. I know because my cousin draws the same big-eyed girls.
Oh, okay, yeah.
He is so talented.
Okay.
For 9 years old.
And you think they're the same?
Yes.
Like this and what your cousin draws, you think it's the same? Like it's so similar?
Yes.
I mean, I think we just don't talk about the money as artists, you know? I think money and being an artist are so disconnected from each other because we don't talk about it. And the worst thing is because we don't even know about each other what we earn. Other people don't know at all. And then situations like this happen, which are very funny. Yeah, I'm a nurse. I mean, there are pros and cons to this job. It can be very tiring, but it's everything I ever wanted to do. Your place is so pretty. Like, what do you do for a living? I'm an artist, actually. I draw. Oh, really? Oh, that's so cute. Can you show me something? Yeah, sure. I'd love to show you something. This is like one of my last artworks that I did. Oh, it's nice. Like, how do you? Oh, yeah, it's done on iPad. It's digital art. So, digital art, right. Okay, but like, what's your job? Like, what do you do for a living? Like, what's your job? Yeah, the job you do? I'm an artist, so that's what I do. Okay,
You know,
I mean, okay, but how do you earn the money? Like, what do you do to earn the money? The money? You know the money? Yeah. Pays bills, you know? Yeah, the money. The money. This is how do you... The money. Yeah. The money in it. Yeah, the money. How do you pay bills? Like, how do you earn the money? And you know what it is about artists? Artists, are not smart, right? That's what people think. So what people think is obviously true. So artists are not smart. You're not. So people treat artists with some kind of like a little bit maybe like children. Sometimes they don't feel like they could be any smarter, even in their own profession. I had this situation. Yo, bro. Oh, hi. You're the artist, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Okay, so I have a thing for you. I will make you a millionaire. Yeah, I will. Listen, have you ever heard of NFTs?
I don't do that.
NFTs.
I mean, I tried. I spent $80 on it and I tried verifying it, but they would not like verify it, so I just lost $100.
No!
And now
Bullshit.
I can't even sell it, so
Bullshit, bro.
I tried.
But it's not working. Listen, dude. You have to make an NFT and then sell it. And, dude, sell it for millions, dude. For millions, dude. Look, my bro is not even an artist, dude. He made pictures of monkeys, dude. And then he sold different kinds of those pictures, bro, for millions. Now he's in Maldives, dude.
Wow, that's great for him, but it's just not working for me. And I mean, it's also bad for the environment, so
He's in freaking Maldives, dude, and you're here with me.
I guess.
You could be selling monkeys for millions, and you're here, dude. Dude, maybe you don't have a business brain, but I do. So listen to me, bro. Make an NFT, sell an NFT. Bro! I mean, bro. Bro, dude.
Okay, you alright?
I will. And I will be rich as hell. Yes, dude. Now you're thinking on the same level. I will sell NFTs. I'll do it. I'll take this website you just told me. Yeah, the one I never tried before. I'll do just what you told me, like make an NFT and sell it.
Yes.
Yeah, great plan, man. Great business plan. You are a genius. Bro, I will do it and I will let you know. I'll let you know. And when I'm a millionaire, I'll take you on a trip to Hawaii. I swear. Alright, so this will be it for today. I hope you liked this video and maybe you saw yourself in some of these situations. And I hope the ones you saw yourself in were looking like me right now. Because if you saw yourself in one of the back voices or the clothed characters with the amazing cosplays I did today, fuck you. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next video. Let me know if you liked this kind of format of the video. Love you. Bye.